Nature unveils ancient secrets as hands reveal dazzling purple pearls from a giant clam along a river. Traditional methods emerge as a woman searches riverbanks, embracing nature with focus and timeless technique in harmony. Determined and immersed, she kneels at the water's edge, ready to unearth nature's hidden treasures with passion. Environmental whispers echo as the woman gathers clams, her Save World shirt inspiring conservation ideals with grace. In serene moments, she scours the riverbed, her focused gaze unveiling nature's quiet bounty with gentle persistence. A vibrant spirit harvests clams with precision, while mossy rocks and aquatic plants frame her skill artfully. Careful hands wield a knife to open a clam, revealing nature's art through deliberate effort with care. Excitement peaks as she discovers vibrant purple pearls, each glistening like a jewel in nature, magically rare. Delicate extraction turns artful as hands retrieve vibrant purple pearls from the clam's mysterious interior with elegance. A macro view captures intricate details, hands extracting lustrous pearls in a mesmerizing close-up with rhythmic precision. In thoughtful silence, she extracts dazzling purple pearls, an artful process set against nature's canvas with devotion. Under gentle daylight, methodical fingers sort radiant pearls, emphasizing traditional practices in serene river scenes with care. Close-up details reveal the delicate extraction of luminous white pearls, unveiling nature's inner brilliance in pure elegance. A precise close-up illustrates skilled hands gathering multiple white pearls, a testament to honest craftsmanship with artistry. Focused determination shines as she uses a knife to extract white pearls, harmonizing effort with nature profoundly. Both purple and white pearls shimmer as she extracts nature's jewels, a vivid display of traditional artistry. Macro precision reveals hands extracting vibrant purple pearls, each detail echoing nature's subtle magnificence with focused intent. An intimate close-up spotlights a hand examining purple pearls, a ritual of nature and care with reverence. Detailed hands gather abundant purple pearls, each moment capturing the vibrancy and depth of natural treasures profoundly. Concluding the journey, she displays a large plate of harvested purple pearls, symbolizing nature's wondrous legacy gracefully. Serene focus marks her careful harvesting of purple and white pearls, a timeless dance with nature's rhythm. A mesmerizing close-up arranges gleaming purple and white pearls, encapsulating nature's delicate craftsmanship and hidden beauty artfully. In fresh, verdant waters, a determined woman embarks on nature's treasure hunt. Her journey begins with quiet anticipation in pure wonder. She gathers robust mussels, arranging them on sunlit rocks. Here, nature and human precision unite in an elegant, deliberate ritual. In a careful display, skilled hands reveal hidden stones of nature. Each precise, deliberate cut gently unearths vibrant mysteries within. Extreme close-ups mesmerize as vibrant, colorful pearls dazzle under attentive, careful eyes. Their shimmering allure ignites deep awe and curiosity. By the gentle riverbank, focused hands work tirelessly amidst open shells. Nature and labor harmoniously blend in this serene routine. Focused yet gentle, she opens mussel shells, unveiling vibrant purple and orange treasures. The scene radiates discovery and natural beauty. Close-at-hand fingers extract vivid gems from nature's cradle. The process beautifully encapsulates both precision and heartfelt discovery. Over the lush riverbank, skilled hands gather a mosaic of vibrant pearls from nature's open treasure. A rewarding harvest emerges. Meticulously at work, practiced hands extract bright pearls, each movement a blend of care and intent. Nature's pure art unfolds. Attentively, she surveys her vibrant collection along the riverbank, a visual celebration of nature's generous harvest and enduring beauty gracefully. An intimate close-up exposes a freshwater mussel, revealing its hidden, colorful treasures. The extraction process is both artful and precise. By calm waters, a devoted hand extracts vibrant gems with focused care, quietly revealing nature's profound link to human endeavor. With precision, hands sort and collect glistening pearls onto a plate, echoing nature's methodical bounty in a serene riverside ballet. Amid rocky banks, a dedicated collector arranges colorful pearls meticulously, transforming nature's gift into an ordered display of radiant beauty. In detailed focus, hands deftly open mussel shells, extracting shimmering pearls with careful expertise. A breathtaking natural performance unfolds gracefully. At a rocky stream, a young woman skillfully extracts vivid, colorful pearls. Her focused effort embodies nature's inspiring, delicate craft. Delicately, careful hands extract vibrant gems, artfully sorting them by a clear, flowing stream. Each gentle movement speaks nature's poetry. Systematically, she opens mussel shells, transferring vibrant pearls into a tray. This methodical process unites tradition with modern environmental insight. Close-up views capture skillful hands extracting pearls from mussel tissue. Each frame celebrates the wonder of nature's intimate, secret process. She proudly displays vibrant, abundant pearls by a stunning, serene riverside. Timeless beauty and success unite in pure nature's celebration. At a serene riverbank, she carefully opens mussel shells to reveal hidden, vibrant treasures. Nature softly whispers secrets of elegance. A final close-up reveals a mussel shell brimming with vibrant pearls, delicately arranged by a gentle hand. Nature's marvel endures.